Imagine a critical night shift where every decision carries profound legal and ethical weight. For medical and legal professionals alike, understanding the intricate dance between patient care and legal duty is paramount. Let's dissect a compelling scenario to illuminate key tort law principles, crucial for legal training, medical education, and exam preparation. Our case study, The Night Shift, places us in a bustling London hospital's emergency department. Dr. Emma Carter, a junior doctor, is under immense pressure, facing staff shortages and a critically ill patient, Mr. John Evans. This scenario is designed for rigorous classroom discussion and practical application. Dr. Emma Carter, as a medical professional, immediately assumes a legal obligation. She must exercise reasonable care to avoid acts or omissions likely to injure her patients. This isn't merely an ethical guideline, it's a legally enforceable duty. This principle stems from Donoghue v. Stevenson, 1932, where Lord Atkin established that a person owes a duty of care to those closely and directly affected by their actions. For medical students and hospital staff, this underscores the gravity of their role. Emma must consider not just John, but all patients potentially affected by her decisions. The Neighbour Principle dictates that her legal neighbors are those foreseeably impacted by her actions. This extends beyond direct interaction to the broader consequences of her choices. Donoghue v. Stevenson famously states, "You must take reasonable care to avoid acts or omissions which you can reasonably foresee would be likely to injure your neighbor." This concept is vital for legal professionals analyzing causation and for medical staff prioritizing care. Faced with John's ambiguous symptoms, Emma grapples with a critical decision. She implicitly applies the Caparo v. Dickman, 1990, test: is harm foreseeable? Is there sufficient proximity between doctor and patient? And is it fair, just, and reasonable to impose a duty of care in these circumstances? This analytical framework is indispensable for law students understanding duty and for medical professionals making complex, time-sensitive judgments. Every decision is scrutinized through this lens. Emma decides against an urgent scan, believing John's condition isn't critical. When John's appendix ruptures, a hospital investigates whether Emma failed to meet the expected standard of care. A breach occurs when a professional's conduct falls short of what a reasonably competent peer would do. For legal professionals, this is the crux of a negligence claim. For medical staff, it's a stark reminder of the constant need for vigilance and adherence to best practices. During the investigation, expert witnesses debate Emma's actions. The Bolam v. Freer Hospital Management Committee, 1957, test asks, did Emma act in accordance with a practice accepted as proper by a responsible body of medical professionals? This acknowledges the nuances of clinical judgment. Understanding the Bolam test is crucial for both legal and medical students. It highlights that professional standards, not just individual opinions, define acceptable conduct in complex medical scenarios. This case study illustrates the profound intersection of law and medicine. As future practitioners or current professionals, your understanding of these tort law principles is not academic, it's foundational to ethical practice and patient safety. Engage with these concepts, discuss their implications, and prepare to apply them rigorously in your careers. Your critical analysis can shape better outcomes and uphold justice.